Hey everyone, this is Joel with Bodyworks. Now I'm going to show you how to massage your lat muscle with the foam roller. This basic foam roller works just fine. I have some tools behind me. If you get an eye for it, feel free to use those. They're a little more advanced, so just make sure that you have some experience foam rolling before you start to get aggressive on your muscles and your joints. So right now the lat muscle, the anatomy of it starts from the lower back and the hips all the way up to the arm here. So it kind of climbs the side of the body as it comes from that lower back and hip area, then attaches in a rope fashion to the arm. So what we can do is we can feel that muscle by just keeping the hand on the ground and sliding the body back. Okay, real simple. Walk the hand forward. You can go over the shoulder side of the shoulder blade. That's always a good fit. Try not to put too much pressure there because there are some delicate rotator cuff muscles there. But that is also where the lat muscle travels up past the shoulder blade into the arm. All right. For a little more advanced work, we're going to start with the arm bent. All right, and we're going to turn the hand up and rotate it back down. That's step one. Take it to another level, rotate it out, reach up. Oh yes. Now reach out and roll. Once you can really get into the advanced work, the act of releasing the shoulder tension, the shoulder tension that pulls your arm forward, rotates it, compresses it. Once you start to relieve that tension, the upper back, the neck, posture, everything starts to relieve itself as well, or correct itself in a functional way. Feel free to give me a call if you have any questions or concerns. Give me a thumbs up if you'd like, or leave a comment below. We'll talk to you soon.